Hi, my name is Niklas and I'm a factory planner here at BMW. What 3 things would you take with you to a lonely island? Definitely a knife, a rugby ball, and at least a phone or a satellite phone. How would you describe your job to a 10-year-old? We build facilities where we need to make sure that our process, so the production, can produce electrical storages. That means that every party in the production building needs to be able to do their job properly. Morning person or night owl? Definitely not a morning person. I love to stay in bed longer in the mornings. What's your favorite Bavarian dish? It's actually a breakfast, even if I'm not a morning person, but I would say it's definitely Weißwurst, Brezen and sweet mustard.